Clay from Verus Engineering here again. Today what we're going to be doing is installing our Fiesta ST hood louvers on John's Fiesta. I'm going to be behind the camera today while Eric is doing the install, simply because he's done this multiple times and we want to make sure it's done right. First step of the process, what you guys are going to want to do is clean the hood just for a clean surface. We just use a quick detailer, and then you are going to use painter's tape to line up exactly where you want the hood louvers to set in the hood at. Alright guys, so I wanted to show you this real quick. On your template, you do have these little crosses that you're going to want to use a center punch for, just to get it started for when you start drilling. Now once you get the holes punched, you're going to want to get your 8-inch drill bit out to start drilling your holes before you start your cutting. Alright, so as you can see here, after he got the outside holes drilled, he went with a bigger drill bit to the area that you're going to be cutting out, so you can start, I guess, what are you using to cut it with?
Cut-off wheel.
There we go. Alright, so out here guys, once you get the original holes drilled, you're going to want to use a little bit bigger drill bit, about 7/8, 2/4 inch.
7/30 seconds.
7/30 seconds, 2/4 inch, sorry guys. And then, yeah. And then inside here, even a little bit bigger drill bit, 3/8, so you can use your cutoff wheel to get these hood vents out. So now once you get the top side cut, you are going to want to flip the hood over. And he just used painter's tape to mask where he's going to be cutting, but you got to cut off those cross members from the underside of the hood as well. Okay, so what you're going to want to do before you actually install the hood louvers, after you get the holes cut and your edges finished, you're going to want to test fit with the stickers on, just in case you need to trim a little bit more, make a hole a little bit bigger, and then after you do that, you can take the templates off. Alright, so now once you get all your holes cleaned up and get the louvers fit in correctly, what we're going to do is lift the hood up. What Eric is going to do right now is show you how to install the wickers with the hood louver kit, and then we will button it up with the bolts on the back side. So the wickers go on the front, as you can see what Eric's doing, towards the front of the vehicle.
On the bottom side of the hood, because most people, some people put it on the top.
There we go. Now, if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to shoot us an email or give us a call. Hit that subscribe button and stay up to date on all of our latest videos. And don't forget to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Until next time.